Best tile floor comparison. Tile floors are a popular choice for homes and commercial spaces due to their durability, easy maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. However, keeping tile floors clean requires the right tools, and mops designed specifically for tile floors can make all the difference. In this comparison, we evaluated 5 top-rated mops, analyzing their features. List 1. The Oseater Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop is a premium option that combines convenience and efficiency. Its standout feature is the hands-free ringing system, which uses a built-in spinner in the bucket to eliminate the need for manual ringing. The patented triangle mop head and 360-degree rotation make it ideal for reaching tight corners and cleaning under furniture. The microfiber material is highly effective at picking up dirt and grime with just water, making it eco-friendly and safe for all hard flooring types. During testing, the Oseater Easy Ring performed exceptionally well on tile floors, leaving no streaks and effectively removing sticky messes. The telescopic handle, which extends up to 48 inches, ensures comfortable use for people of varying heights. The machine-washable mop head adds to its convenience. Though replacing the mop head every 3 months may be an additional cost for frequent users. While the bucket system is slightly bulky, its splash guard minimizes water mess during transport. List number. The Mexerus Spray Mop offers versatility and value with its inclusion of 5 washable microfiber pads and 2 refillable bottles. The mop head swivels 360 degrees, allowing users to clean tight spaces and corners effortlessly. Its ergonomic design includes a trigger handle for controlled spraying, making it suitable for both wet and dry cleaning. The additional scraper tool is a thoughtful inclusion for removing stubborn dirt and debris. In practice, the Mexerus Spray Mop excelled at handling everyday messes on tile floors, including dust, pet hair, and spills. The microfiber pads are highly absorbent and machine washable, significantly reducing waste. However, the mop's lightweight design can feel less durable compared to heavier models, and the spray mechanism may require occasional maintenance to prevent clogging. The anti-leakage bottles are a standout feature, ensuring no mess during use. List number. The Marsiga Professional Microfiber Mop is designed for durability and efficiency, featuring a stainless steel telescopic handle and 3 reusable microfiber pads. Its dual-action microfiber cloth offers versatility, with one side for wet mopping and the other for waxing or dry cleaning. The 360-degree swivel head and wide mop surface make it suitable for both residential and commercial use. This mop provided excellent cleaning results during testing, particularly on tile floors where it effectively picked up dust and debris without leaving streaks. The adjustable handle allows users to customize the height for comfort, and the sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability. However, assembly is required, and some users may find the clip-on pad design slightly cumbersome during setup. The mop's weight provides stability but may be. List number. The CLDREAM Spray Mop is a budget-friendly option that features an 800 milliliter refillable water tank, the largest among the products reviewed. Its ergonomic handle and 360-degree swivel head make cleaning effortless, while the inclusion of both chenille and microfiber pads allows for versatile wet and dry cleaning. The mop also comes with a scrubber tool for pad maintenance. While the CLDREAM Spray Mop is an affordable choice, its performance on tile floors was slightly less impressive compared to higher-end models. The microfiber pads worked well for light cleaning tasks, but tougher stains required additional effort. The large water tank reduces the need for frequent refills, which is a notable advantage. However, the plastic construction feels less durable, and the spray mechanism may need regular cleaning to maintain functionality. List number. The Yokata Sponge Mop is a unique offering with a honeycomb sponge head designed for maximum absorbency and quick drying. It includes a telescopic handle that extends from 42.5 to 52 inches, providing flexibility for users of different heights. The built-in squeegee is particularly useful for removing excess water and dirt quickly. In testing, the Yokata Sponge Mop performed well for basic cleaning tasks on tile floors and was especially effective at handling wet messes. The sponge head's breathability and absorbency are standout features, though the limited number of sponge heads, too, may require frequent replacement for heavy users. The adjustable handle is convenient, but the overall construction feels less robust compared to other models in this comparison.